name is Dan Hammer, and on behalf of myself and Judy Feldhausen, this video is part 2 in our 2-part series on the 3 E's and 4 R's for gut health. This is your roadmap to improving your gut microbiome, which can help you address weight management issues, improve your energy, decrease abdominal distress, and reduce the potential for a wide range of autoimmune diseases, all by effectively changing your gut microbiome. Now, before we get started, I want you to know that if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to share a special link for a free 30-minute consultation with either myself or Judy. This free consultation will help you determine if you need help in improving your gut microbiome. Now, in part 1 of this video series, I introduced you to the 3 E's. Eliminate dysbiosis, eliminate leaky gut, eliminate inflammation. If you missed our video on the 3 E's, then you can find the direct link in the description section below. It's these 3 conditions that you have to address. If you address them properly, then you'll experience a tremendous shift in your overall health. To accomplish these objectives, we recommend the following 4 R's. Remove foods and factors that damage your gut. Replace with healing foods. Repair with specific supplements. Rebalance with prebiotics and probiotics. So let's get started with our first R, which is remove foods and factors that damage your gut. You are what you eat. And if you make choices that damage your microbiome, you will suffer the consequences. We acknowledge that change is difficult, but understand this. When you change your microbiome to a healthy environment, you will find it much easier to make good food choices. Why? Because your microbiome is driving your food choices. If you desire sugary drinks and processed snack foods, it's because the microbiome of your gut is influencing your choices and what they want to eat. As I stated in part 1 of this video series, fix the gut, you fix the problem. To get you started, here's a short list on which foods and factors damage your gut microbiome and how your implementation will directly affect the 3 E's. The first one is eliminate all wheat products from your diet. This will immediately help you eliminate inflammation and dysbiosis. Second, reduce your sugar consumption. This will help you address inflammation and dysbiosis and reduce toxins that can contribute to a leaky gut. 3, dramatically reduce your intake of vegetable oils. This will address inflammation and leaky gut. 4, limit your consumption of animal protein. This will help address dysbiosis. 5th is to limit your alcohol consumption. This will help address dysbiosis. Number 6 is only use an antibiotic when necessary. This will help address dysbiosis. Number 7 is only take medications when necessary. This will help address dysbiosis. And number 8 is reduce your stress level. This will address all 3 E's as it lowers inflammation, removes the potential for dysbiosis, and helps to prevent leaky gut. The next step is to replace with healing foods. As you remove foods that are harmful to your microbiome, replace them with foods that will quickly recolonize your microbiome with healthy and beneficial bacteria. Here are some suggestions. Increase your water consumption by adding liquid chlorophyll. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid chlorophyll per 16 ounces of water. This will help address inflammation. Replace milk with unsweetened almond milk. This will address dysbiosis and inflammation, and for most people, almond milk is a fairly easy change. Increase your consumption of vegetable protein. This will address dysbiosis and inflammation, as well as help heal a leaky gut. One of our favorite sources for vegetable protein is pea protein powder, especially if you make any type of healthy shake or smoothie. The most common protein powder is whey protein from cow's milk. However, pea protein is equal to whey, but without any allergens. Here's a direct side-by-side comparison, and as you can see, caloric intake's about the same, carbs are about the same, protein is the same, and fat content is about the same. But it's important to note that pea protein contains 3 times more L-arginine than whey protein. This is significant because L-arginine fuels 7 different metabolic pathways that are important for good health. And this amino acid is so important to your health that I did a separate video called The Truth About L-arginine. You'll find a link to this video in the description section below. Now let's continue with key healing foods. Switch to omega-3 fats. Substitute your omega-6 fats, like vegetable oils, with extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Avocados are also an excellent source of omega-3 fats. This will address inflammation and help heal a leaky gut. Add fermented foods, which addresses dysbiosis as well as reduces inflammation. So Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and pickles are all good food choices. Add flaxseed powder. This addresses inflammation and dysbiosis. This can be easily added to your food and health shakes. Consume more vegetables. Whole and unprocessed vegetables help address both dysbiosis and inflammation. So eat more spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and raw carrots. However, stay away from corn because of its sugar content. Repair with specific supplements. There are so many supplements in the market that it would be easy to get lost in this area. We're going to give you just 4, but they are the 4 most important ones to consume to help you address the 3 E's. L-glutamine. This is always the first and most important one to add to your diet. It will address inflammation, leaky gut, and dysbiosis. Also, L-glutamine improves the ratio of good bacteria called Bacteroidetes to bad bacteria called Firmicutes to aid in weight management. Magnesium. This mineral addresses inflammation, leaky gut, and dysbiosis. It's required for the function of hundreds of enzymes in the gut to improve your digestion, regularity, and energy production. Zinc. This mineral addresses dysbiosis by helping to fuel the enzymatic processes that help recolonize your gut microbiome with healthy, beneficial bacteria. It's involved in over 300 different enzymatic pathways to help support optimal health. Borage oil. This nutrient addresses inflammation. Inflammation is such a big issue in gut health that you want to arm your microbiome with the nutrients it needs to address this issue. Rebalance with prebiotics and probiotics. We recommend combining these 2 together to optimize the recolonization of your gut microbiome. Let's start with probiotics, which are the good bacteria you need to recolonize your abdominal cavity. And when it comes to probiotic supplements, there's always the debate about live cultures that have to be refrigerated versus shelf-stable cultures. Regardless of which one you choose, they must all pass through the stomach, which presents a problem. Due to the high acidic nature of the stomach, many of the probiotics don't survive the journey to the small intestine. This is one reason why you have to take such a large number of active cultures, say 50 billion CFU or colony forming units. However, by taking your probiotics with food or dark chocolate, you increase the number of CFUs that make it into the small intestine. And the reason why is sugar helps coat them to provide protection from the acids of the stomach. But sugars also feed the bad bacteria that you're trying to get rid of, which brings us to prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible carbohydrates to you, but can be digested by probiotics. They are usually soluble fibers, which aid you in your digestion. When combined with water, they form a gel-like substance that can withstand the acidic environment of the stomach. And when they enter the small intestine, they become a meal for the bacteria you're trying to grow. This means you want prebiotics that will nourish the good bacteria, not the bad bacteria. And if you properly combine a prebiotic with the correct probiotic, you can create a positive synergistic effect. The prebiotic will form a gel-like coating to protect the probiotic through the stomach acids. This helps more CFUs make it into the small intestine. Once in the small intestine, the prebiotic becomes a healthy food source for your probiotic. This speeds the colonization of your gut microbiome with good bacteria while denying your bad bacteria the food they need. This helps to quickly reset your gut health so you can enjoy improved wellness. So which are the best ingredients for doing this? Well, we recommend the following two. Inulin is an excellent prebiotic. It's always our first choice. In addition to nourishing the good bacteria, it also assists in the digestion and absorption of your food. Inulin plays a significant role in your immune system, and it seems to improve heart and bone health, reduce the potential for colon cancer, helps to protect against inflammatory bowel disease, and aids in preventing constipation. For a probiotic, Bacillus coagulans is our first choice. We know that there are others in this category, but if you want to rapidly recolonize your gut microbiome, then this is the one to use. This is a spore-forming probiotic species that can withstand the stomach's acidic environment, so when it enters the intestinal area, it can recolonize faster. And Bacillus coagulans have been shown to help reduce irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and inflammation. Well, we've covered a lot of information, and in future videos we'll cover how improving your gut microbiome can help you with autoimmune diseases, abdominal distress, inflammation and cancer, diabetes, and weight management issues. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as promised, here's how you can have a free 30-minute consultation with either myself or Judy. In the description below, you will find direct links to our microbiome pages. One link is for Judy, the other link is for me. When you click on either of these links, you'll be given further information on how to get a hold of Judy or myself. If you're watching on a cell phone, then you need to click on the little down arrow on the right side of the title. When you click on this arrow, it will take you to the description, which will then provide you with the links to connect with myself or Judy. Remember, if you fix the gut, you fix the problem. If you have any questions about the material I shared with you today, then please either email me at dan@agingnomore.com or call me directly at 630-936-8079. Or you can email Judy, whose address is judy@cardiowellnessgroup.com, or call her directly at 312-775-2490. We're both part of the Million Lives Project, and our goal is to help 1 million people or more understand how they can naturally reset their gut health to significantly improve their overall health and wellness. Become a part of our Million Lives Project by sharing this video with others. Thank you, and have a blessed day.